The demand for induction-compatible cookware has surged as home chefs and culinary enthusiasts switch to more energy-efficient and precise induction cooktops. Whether you are searing steaks or simmering delicate sauces, having the right pans is crucial for performance. This guide evaluates the best options on the market, focusing on heat conductivity, durability, non-stick performance. Product number 1. T-fal Stainless Steel Cookware Set. T-fal is a household name often associated with non-stick, but their stainless steel line is a robust contender for induction users who prefer professional-grade durability. This set is designed for those who want the searing power of steel without the high maintenance of cast iron. Build quality and performance. The standout feature is the Techno-Release interior on some pans, or the standard polished stainless steel surface, which is excellent for browning meats. The base is induction ready, featuring a multi-layer construction, often copper or aluminum core, that distributes heat evenly, eliminating the ring of fire often seen on cheaper induction pans. It is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to start a dish on the stove and finish it under the broiler. The riveted handles provide a secure, ergonomic grip that stays relatively cool during stovetop use. Product number 2. Carrote Non-Stick Pots. Carrote has taken the Amazon market by storm with its distinctive granite-style cookware. These pots are instantly recognizable by their speckled white granite appearance and wood-effect handles made of soft-touch Bakelite, combining aesthetic appeal with functional design. Build quality and performance. These pots utilize a die-cast aluminum core, which is lightweight yet highly conductive, ensuring rapid heating on induction hobs. The non-stick coating is PFOA-free and mimics the hardness of stone, providing excellent release properties. Eggs slide around effortlessly. The induction base is bonded firmly, preventing the warping that often plagues cheaper aluminum pans. While the handles look like wood, they are actually heat-resistant material that stays cool to the touch. Product number 3. Cooker King Hybrid Non-Stick 6-Piece Pot Set. The Cooker King set is an intriguing hybrid option that attempts to offer the best of both worlds, the durability of stainless steel and the ease of non-stick. It targets cooks who are tired of replacing scratched Teflon pans every year. Build quality and performance. This cookware features a textured, honeycomb-like pattern on the cooking surface. This raised stainless steel structure protects the non-stick valleys underneath, allowing you to use metal spatulas without destroying the coating. It is built with a tri-ply construction, stainless, aluminum, stainless, which ensures it responds quickly to induction magnetic fields. The glass lids are tempered and feature steam vents, while the handles are riveted for stability. It heats up significantly faster than standard non-stick pans due to the steel mesh. Product number 4. Carrote 17-Piece Pots. While the standard Carrote pots focus on aesthetics, this massive 17-piece set focuses on storage efficiency. It is designed specifically for RVs, small apartments, and organized kitchens, featuring the brand's innovative detachable handle system. Build quality and performance. The core selling point is the removable handle mechanism. You can cook on the stove, click the handle off, and place the pot directly into the oven or fridge as a storage container. This eliminates the awkward Tetris game of trying to fit long handles into a dishwasher or cabinet. The pots themselves use the same high-quality granite non-stick coating as the standard line, ensuring easy cleanup. The induction base is flat and wide, maximizing contact with the cooktop surface for efficiency. Product number 5. HexClad Hybrid Non-Stick 6-Piece Fry Pan Set. HexClad is the Rolls-Royce of the hybrid cookware world, famously endorsed by Gordon Ramsay. It represents the pinnacle of hybrid technology, merging the searing capability of cast iron with the ease of non-stick in a virtually indestructible package. Build quality and performance. The patented laser-etched hexagonal design creates peaks of stainless steel and valleys of non-stick. This allows you to get a hard sear on a steak, thanks to the steel, while ensuring the meat releases easily, thanks to the non-stick. It is metal utensil safe, dishwasher safe, and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The tri-ply construction is heavy and retains heat exceptionally well, behaving more like expensive copper cookware than standard non-stick. This video provides a hands-on demonstration of the Cooker King hybrid set, showcasing its non-stick capabilities and durability during real-world cooking tests.